This video we are going to talk about the very powerful strategy for scalping, quick scalping, and it includes two indicators. The first one is moving average, the simple moving average, and the second one is stochastic. So this is only for people who just want to like buy and close the order in like 4 or 5 minutes, and that's it. Not more than 4 or 5 minutes. You close it in profit and you leave. That's it. So this strategy, it works only for a 1 minute chart, guys. If you want to go for like 5 or 1 hour, this is not the good strategy. This is for only quick scalping. That's it. So guys, let me show you how to add the indicators. You come here on the sign and you search moving average. You click on this moving average, and the next one is stochastic, STO. Okay, this one. This is the stochastic. So we need those. I'm sorry. Okay, we need these two, the line of moving average and stochastic. So for moving average, we go to the setting, and it should be moving average 200, and any color that you want. I'm gonna put it yellow. Okay, it doesn't matter the color. So we press OK, and this is our moving average. This is the yellow one, and this is our stochastic that we don't need to go to setting or do something. 1433. This is the perfect stochastic for quick scalping. So guys, what we're gonna do now, how we're gonna know where should we open a buy order, where should we open a sell order, and all. So I'm gonna answer all these questions. So guys, as you can see, this moving average line, this helps us to know the trend and helps us to know where the candles are going up and where the candles are going down. So if the candles are above the moving average line, that means that it's a buy trend. It's going up. But if the candles are in a below the moving average line, that means that it's a downtrend. So guys, as you can see, let me show you here. Look at this. You see, guys, look at this circle. From here, from this candle, as you can see, there was a breakout from the moving average line, and after this is our new downtrend. This is our new downtrend. So in downtrend, we look at sell order, but in uptrend we look at buy order because it's going up, so we need to buy it. So guys, this is our downtrend, and look at this one from this candle here. As you can see, we have a breakout. Look at this candle, the green candle. We have a breakout, and from this candle, it's above the moving average line. So this is our uptrend. Let me do the circle for you guys here too, again, for the uptrend. I'm sorry. So from here, guys, look at this circle. This is going up. As you can see, this is going up. But here, after the candle came down below the moving average, it's coming down. If you can see, it's pretty obvious. Well, anyway, so now let's go and see that where can we open our buy order, and where can we open our sell order, and how it works, where should our take profit be, and all of that. So guys, here, as you can see, the candles are above the moving average. So what we're gonna do here, we have to wait for our first confirmation. Now, what is our first confirmation? Our first confirmation is when the stochastic tell us that the two lines here, let me zoom for you guys. You see there are two lines here, blue and red. So when they are outside this purple square, that means if they're down, look guys, here is 20, we have 20 here. So if it's lower than 20, that means that this is oversold. And if it's above 80, which is like here, it's above 80, that means it's overbought. So this helps us to know, this helps us, and this gives us the confirmation for opening buy or sell order. So how does it work, guys? We look at stochastic and we wait for the two lines to come outside, to come out of the purple square. Now for you guys, the color might be something else, but I'm talking about this square here. So if you look guys here, the two lines are out of the square. So we wait, this is our first confirmation. So we wait for the two lines to cross each other. The blue one should cross the red one. So as you can see here, the blue line is crossing the red line. You see here. This blue line is crossing the red line, which tells us that, it's ready for buy order because it's down. So what we're gonna do, and it's above our moving average line. So it is a perfect and confirmation for a buy order. So guys, look what happened to the candle. This is the candle, and here we have to open our buy order when the candle finishes and it goes to the next candle. So here, this will be our buy order. We open a buy order here, and guys, look what happened after that. This is the next candle, it went straight up. Second candle, third candle, fourth candle. So in 4 minutes, guys, in 4 minutes, you're already in profit. Now let me tell you how many pips you get. Okay, this gives you 8 pips. This, if your buy order is here and our take profit is here, now I will explain why our take profit would be there. But if our buy order here and our take profit is here, it will give us 8 pips in 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, guys, this is unbelievable. But so I'm gonna tell you now how does this take profit, where should you put your take profit and how this works. I'm gonna explain it to you guys right now. So guys, you see, if you're opening a buy order here because of the confirmation of stochastic, we have to wait for the nearest support or resistance. So here, if you guys look, at the candles, you see that there is a resistance here. So if we don't have that, like let's say it's like this. Okay, let me move these for you guys. So it's like this, and here it gives us the confirmation of the stochastic. So here we're going to buy, start buying. So our take profit should be here, the resistance, the first resistance, the nearest resistance is our take profit. And if we go more, you see the next, I'm sorry guys, you see the next candle, it went up, The next candle again, it went up. Next, next, until it hits our take profit. And you see now it's coming down. So the confirmation of stochastic is very, very important. That's the confirmation of the whole strategy, guys. I will give you another example for buy order, and after that we're going for a sell order. Okay, guys. Here you see that this red candle here, the first red candle. The market, it's telling us that it's coming down, and also the stochastic is telling us that their lines are coming below 20. So let's see what happens after that. We wait for the stochastic to tell us that the lines are crossing, but it's still not crossing. So we don't do anything. We just wait for the lines to cross. So here, guys, after this green candle, you see that it's crossing. The blue and the red line is crossing. That's a confirmation for a buy order. So we buy here at this rate, 1.10028, and our take profit should be the nearest resistance. So unfortunately, in this situation, our resistance is very, very near to our the rate of our buy order. But guys, this is the safest way. This is the quick scalping. You just buy and close the order, and that's it. You run away with it. So if you guys want to risk more for it, you go for the next resistance, which will be here. But my opinion, I recommend that you always go for the nearest, even if it doesn't give you that much pip. Like I think this will give you around like 3 or 4 pips, but let's see what happens. So the market is now started going up from here. Started going up, and it already hits our take profit. So we started buying here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 minutes. Guys, we are in a 1 minute chart. So every candle is only 1 minute. So 5 candles. In 5 minutes, we already, the candles already hit our take profit, and we are in profit already. But guys, as we continue, you can see that like it also hits our second resistance line, our second take profit too. And if we continue, we see that the third, which is here the resistance, it hits our third take profit too, and the fourth take profit too. But we only go for the first take profit because this is the safest, guys. We don't want to lose. We don't want to gamble with our money. We want to be sure that we are going to this trade and we're gonna make profit and leave. That's it. So guys, this was the second example for buy order. I'm gonna show you another one for sell order. Another example for sell order. I will just look at this market. Let's see if I can find. Okay, guys, I found the best one here. Guys, the candles here are below the moving average line, the yellow line. So that means that we are looking for sell orders. We are looking for stochastic lines to be above the 80, which will give us the confirmation for sell order. So guys, look, we look at here. Okay guys, as you can see, the candles, look guys, the candles are going up. We have a green candle here, and after that we have another green candle here. Here, this candle, the red candle, that's showing us that it's coming down. This gives us the confirmation from here. From here, wait. You see? Guys, the lines are crossing. The blue line is crossing the red line. This will give us the confirmation that we have to go to this trade, and we have to open a sell order for sure. Guys, you see, we open a sell order at this rate here. Let me just put this for you guys here. Okay. The red line is our sell order, guys. And our take profit should be always the nearest support or resistance. This is a sell order, so we are going for support. The nearest support is here, guys. As you can see, the candles are going up, and it hits this, and it's coming down till here, and it's going up. So this is our nearest support. So I'm gonna do our another take profit, another horizontal line here. So guys, let's see what happened. This is the first candle that we opened the sell order here. The next candle came down. Next candle came down. Next candle, it went up a little bit. Guys, look, it already hit our take profit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 6 minutes, guys. Let me show you how many pips. In 6 minutes, you got 2 pips. It's in just 6 minutes, guys. This is a quick scalping, guys. This is not for long term. It's very short strategy, short-term strategy that it helps you a lot. You can do this like for 2 or 3 hours a day, and you can make like around 20 pips, 25 pips in a day. So this is amazing, guys. This is a very nice strategy, and actually I'm using it myself every day, and it's very amazing, guys. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel so I can upload more videos with more strategies, so we can help each other to grow. And please like the video and comment below if you have any questions. I will answer all the questions. Thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye.